eyeshadow is bunched up all over up here, but I'm so unbothered. Can you relate? Hello, welcome or welcome back to Keeping Up with the Queen. Today we are here, as you can see from the title. We are going to talk about deals that's going on in Sephora or the new makeup sets that are rolling out for the holidays that I think are worth trying and are good value. And we will stop when we think it's enough. All right. Let's go. Yes, I have a haircut. You are right. How do you like it? We are going to be fine that I look presentable. First, I am going to click into the sales section because I do want to talk about a brand that has a lot of sale going on, and that is Natasha Denona. And of course, Marc Jacobs. I think because Marc Jacobs is rebranding themselves, so they are having a lot of sale to get rid of their older range of products for like a year now, it seems. So we're just gonna go to talk about Natasha Denona. Sunrise and the Love palette are both apparently on sale for $32. There are 15 shades. They're a mid-size palette. They are definitely worth trying out, especially if they're on sale, but they're constantly out of stock. So Sephora, what's up? 3 weeks now, I noticed, but they keep putting it as on sale. So what's that about? Maybe put them in your love list or ask Sephora to send you an email when they're coming back in stock. Bronze Face and Glow palette is on sale. The Camel eyeshadow palette, which has 5 shades for $24 instead of $48. That was so good. I wanted to try. I have been wanting to try the Camel palettes for a long time. And now that's on sale, of course, it's out of stock. So I cannot get it, but their Coral eyeshadow palette on sale. The Foundation X Plus is on sale for $22. Face Glow is on sale for $21. Lip Euphoria lip gloss is on sale for $13. Lip Matte on sale for $12. 4 Vanishing Matte foundations on sale. So check them out. Some of them are still in stock, but a lot of them are out of stock, especially the eyeshadow palettes. Back onto the main page, and we are going to the makeup all set to holiday. Start the season early with exclusive beauty gift sets and more. This is a great chance to get some gift for your family and friends as well as to yourself because they are in tiny mini bundles, Christmas stocking friendly and gifting as a bunch friendly. A Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Lip Secret Set for $45 with $71 of value. This is a great chance to try out the Pillow Talk line because they have a mini lip liner. It seems like the lipstick is actually full size, and then you have a lip gloss and something else. Another lip gloss, I guess. Tarte has the Best of Blush Mini Amazonian Clay Cheek Set for $39 for $75 value. This is really, really good if you are a fan of Tarte blushes. I have heard a lot of great things about them, so I don't see why not. Blah, blah, blah. Hourglass has the Scattered Light Glitter Eyeshadow Holiday Trio for $32 instead of $46. There are 3 of their potted glittery eyeshadows, and they've been popular for a long time, so I've always wanted to try them. And this set is a great deal because individual ones are like $28, $29 already. So if you can get 3 for $32, that is a really great value. Where is that thing that I want to talk to you guys about? Now I'm scrolling and scrolling and I don't see it. The thing with these holiday sets is that you have to find the brand that you are interested in for it to worth your money, because first of all, they're mini size, they're not gonna last long, they're easy to get lost in your collection. But if you want to try out a brand for a long time and then finally they put a bunch of their products in mini size into one set for a much better value than getting the full size, then this is a great chance to try them. That is why I'm like trying to find specific things that are good value in my opinion, and not all of them are good, and there are so many sets. It's kind of insane, and I'm sure as the holiday approaches, they're gonna roll out more and more sets from different brands. So we're just gonna keep in touch here and there every few weeks, and I'll come up here and update you if there are things popping up that I really like and think you should take a look. I know for a fact that Sephora Beauty has a few brush sets that usually are sold for like $40, and now they're on sale for like $20, and they're running out of stock very quickly. So one, if you can find them in store, it would be much better to find them in store. And two, if you can remind Sephora to send you an email whenever you see a product that you are interested in that is currently out of stock, there is a slim chance that they might be going back on in stock. KVD Beauty, an everlasting lip liner nude set for $36 with 5 full-size lip liners. If you're a fan of them, now is the chance. Even if you've never tried KVD Beauty, but you are looking for more lip liners, they seem to have a great range of color in this set, so there's that. Let's see if there's anything new that we're interested in. Of course, there's that Hourglass Ambient Lighting Edit palette in Universe that we talked about in the previous video. Make sure you check it out. There's the Universe unlocked right there. There are 2 fragrance set that is worth mentioning from Maison Margiela Replica, and there is a Lazy Sunday Morning and Jazz Club set. Also, there is a Bubble Bath and By the Fireplace set. So in each of these sets, there are going to be 2 of their fragrances in the 30 ml size for $120 instead of $144. So not the best discount ever, but if you've been looking for an excuse to try out these fragrances and you want something bigger than a 7 ml tiny sample, this is a great chance for you to snatch the set and be happy with your excuse, if you know what I mean. I have reviewed all these fragrances before on my channel, so make sure you look for them in my fragrance playlist, but I am a big fan of Lazy Sunday Morning. I'm a big fan of Jazz Club, I am a big fan of Bubble Bath, and not a big fan of By the Fireplace, unfortunately. So within these 2 sets, the Lazy Sunday Morning and Jazz Club is going to be my pick. I have it on my love list. It is limited edition and online only, so I would hurry up if I were you. How many minutes have we been rambling on? There is a set from Atelier Cologne mini perfume wardrobe set for $55 for $85 value. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 fragrances, only 4 ml. I thought they're giant. Never mind, I was thinking about another one that is like $40, $35, $45 for like 6 big one, like 10 ml samples. But this is pretty good too, $55. I have never tried Atelier colognes before, so if you tried them out, let me know in the comment section, because I'm kind of interested, to be honest. Okay, let's keep it simple. The only other thing that I'm interested in is this Voluspa Japonica candle collection set. Me and these English names, or and Voluspa, I have no idea what language this is, so let me know. But there is a $75 set with 12 candles in the mini size. Each of them is 1 ounce, 28.3 gram, 1 wick candle. This brand is popular apparently on Sephora. They keep coming out with new sets, and this one looks beautiful. It would be a nice gift for the holiday for a candle lover. Like, if you give me this one, I would be very happy. So just keep that in mind if you want a deal, if you want to try out 12 of their candles, so you will pretty much be set for the holidays. I think that's all I want to talk about today, because I don't want to overwhelm editing Lam with all these photos that he have to insert. For now, let's stop, and we will pick it back up whenever I think there are more new products that I want to talk about, okay? If you enjoy this kind of video, if you find it helpful or fun, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification button so you never miss out on my future weekly uploads. Now go have a great day, and until next time, let the mirror shine into your soul. don't flop.